So I've been interested in medicine since I was a little kid, as long as I can remember. But after finishing my first degree in 2018 in biology, I actually ended up working at Epic as a project manager. So I worked on the surgery and anesthesia teams for almost 5 years, and during that time, I just really gained an appreciation for what nurses do, especially within the surgical space. I also had, my best friend spent a few months in a coma, and my grandfather was diagnosed with Alzheimer's during that time. So all of those experiences kind of combined made me realize that I didn't want to spend the rest of my life answering emails, and I really wanted to be hands-on with helping to improve things for people and take care of patients. I like the relationships that we've been able to develop with a good number of our instructors. They love seeing us grow, and it's really cool to see how we grow in our relationships with them as well. You really get to know the other people in your cohort with such a small group, and you do develop good friendships as well. So just having that kind of dedicated space to interact with people from all sorts of different life backgrounds and skills, and see how we all apply that to our version of nursing has been really cool. I would definitely advise to take every possible learning opportunity. We all bring our own unique experience to the ABSN program, but we know generally close to nothing about nursing. So fully taking advantage of your resources, which includes your professors and your classmates. I think there is a lot more comfort with advocating for yourself and advocating for other people. A Badger nurse is an advocate.